Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce my name is Gentis Ayu Waryanti, NIM 22129036, sesi International 14. Here I will explain about reproducing in plant and photosynthesis. Reproduction in plants and photosynthesis. Tahu yang pertama, plant breeding atau perkembangbiakan pada tumbuhan. Plant propagation is a process that animals to increase the number of plants of a certain species of culture maintain the species so that they do not become extinct, product offspring so as to preserve the species. In general, plant propagation is divided into two, namely by using the body parts of the plants vegetative and by using speed atau by margin atau generatif. Yang kedua ada vegetative propagation atau perkembangbiakan secara vegetatif. Vegetative reproduction is without margin or asexual. New living things offspring originate from the body parts of the prince atau only one prince in evolved offspring have the same biological traits as their parents. There are two groups of plants with vegetative propagation, namely natural vegetative and artificial vegetative. In the natural vegetative process, new living things are formed without human assistance. Well, in artificial vegetative, new living things are formed with the help of humans. Natural vegetative propagation. Natural vegetative propagation can occur through bulbs, stems, shoots, rhizomes, gragi, and spores. Yang B. Artificial vegetative propagation. Cutting, grafting, shoot, and tissue culture and methods of artificial vegetative propagation. Yang ketiga ada generative breeding atau perkembangbiakan secara generatif. Generative reproduction occur in flowers that occur, namely pollination. Pollination is the fall of pollen grains on the pistil sulfur. There are perfect flower and also imperfect flower. A. Flower plants atau bagian-bagian bunga. Flower stalk, the part of the flower that connects the flower to stem flower. Base, the tip of the flower stalk in singlet and layered plants, the part that envelops the flower when it is still closed. Corn, the most beautiful part of flower or decoration. Stems, male Genelatia, plants, family Genelatia. B. Pollination and fertilization atau penyerbukan dan pembuahan. Pollination or pairing is the event of pollen falling onto the stigma. Fertilization is the event of the meeting of male counts with female counts. Yang C ada pollination methods atau cara-cara penyerbukan. Yang pertama ada self pollination, yang kedua ada neighbor pollination, Yang ketiga ada cross pollination, yang keempat ada cross bird pollination, yang kelima ada pollination by the wind, yang keenam ada pollination by animals, yang ketujuh ada pollination by water, yang ke-8 ada pollination by humans. Pollination some interest for pollination include animals, aspecti interested, wind, weather, and humans. Oke, selanjutnya di sini saya akan menjelaskan bagian kedua atau materi selanjutnya. Materi selanjutnya ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang fotosintesis proses atau proses fotosintesis. In general, the notion of photosynthesis in the process of forming carbohydrates from carbon dioxide, CO2, and water atau H2O with the help of sunlight. Plants can't carry out photosynthesis because the have cans the contain chlorophyll, the green substance in level. In photosynthesis, sunlight energy is absorbed by chlorophyll and converted into thermal energy, which is stored in the form of carbohydrates or other organic components. In plants, carbohydrates are converted into proteins, fats, vitamins, or other compounds. Carbon dioxide atau CO2 will be taken up by plants from the very are to stomata, meltwater atau 6H2O is taken from the soil by the roots and transferred to the leaf through the woody cells atau xylem. From the above reaction in can see that the condition for photosynthesis to take place are as flower atau syarat fotosintesis. From the above reaction in can be seen that the condition for photosynthesis to take place are as a flower atau syarat dari fotosintesis. A. Carbon dioxide atau CO2 taken by plants from the air to the stomata atau mouth of the leaves. Yang B. Water taken by from the soil by the roots and transferred to the leaves through the wooden cells atau xylem. C. Sunlight. D. Chlorophyll atau green substance as a rapid of energy from sunlight to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Yang kedua ada faktor affecting fotosintesis atau faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi fotosintesis. Mungkin ada 8 faktor yang bisa mempengaruhi proses fotosintesis itu sendiri. Nah, yang pertama itu ada the concentration of carbon dioxide, CO2 in water. Yang kedua ada chlorophyll. Yang ketiga ada light. Yang keempat ada visible light is the spectrum of sunlight. Yang kelima ada water atau air. Yang keenam ada temperatur atau suhu. Yang ketujuh ada photosynthesis level atau result of photosynthesis. Yang kedelapan atau yang terakhir ini ada growth state. Mungkin cukup sekian presentasi atau penjelasan materi tentang perkembangbiakan pada tumbuhan dan proses fotosintesis dari saya. Apabila banyak kekurangan atau kesalahan kata, saya mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Akhir kata saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye, see you.